Hello everyone, today I am going to be experimenting with this. So mixing powdered graphite with Maru and water, and so I got this. I am going to be testing this out as a new speed cube lube on this. It's an L-Long V2. But it's not my main, so I don't really care about it. So if it completely fails, then at least I'm not ruining my main. It is pretty fast. It's okay right now, but hopefully with this on, it'll turn faster, and then if it does, I'll be putting it onto my main, which is the Gans Air SM. So, yeah, I'll be putting that on right now. So right now I'm just breaking apart the cube, and then, yeah, so, I'm breaking apart the cube, and then I just see something on the centerpiece, so scrape it off, and, now I'm just, taking a little piece of tissue and then putting it into the whatever it is, the lube. I don't know. I don't know what it should be called. I don't know. Coop 01. Okay, so that's what it's called. So I'm just spreading that around on the centerpiece. And, yep, got it ready. And now I'm just trying to assemble the cube. And I'm using a, I don't know what these are called, but I'm using this to just put the speed cube lube onto the L-Long, and I'm just putting it all over the edge pieces and then putting them on the cube, and it's not going well. I'm struggling to get the pieces off, and then they all fall off. Now this is me at the end of the process where I'm just finishing up, and I'm going pretty fast. I mean, this is sped up, but I still did it pretty fast, and so I got the top layer done pretty fast. And now it is time for me to test the cube to see how it feels. Now here it is, and I haven't turned it once since the process, but now I will get into the first turns to see if it was a fail or if it was good. Okay, so right now I think it was a fail. It didn't really help very much. So I think all that work, which was like 15 minutes of that, I think is all for nothing. But I'm going to do one time solve on it. Okay, so I have the scrambled cube here, and I have a timer right here. I will do inspection, and then I'll start. Okay, I got a 28.77. That is terrible, but I got unlucky also. What I've learned from this is don't fail. The end.